Welcome to the FreshBooks Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting and tax software designed primarily for small business owners, freelancers, and self-employed professionals. It offers an intuitive platform that simplifies invoicing, expense tracking, and tax preparation, making it ideal for those who want a user-friendly solution to manage their finances. One of the standout features of FreshBooks is its seamless invoicing system. Users can create and send customized invoices in just a few clicks, helping businesses get paid faster. The software also offers automatic payment reminders, so you don't have to manually follow up with clients. FreshBooks integrates with a range of payment gateways, including credit cards and PayPal, allowing clients to pay invoices directly online, streamlining the process. For tax purposes, FreshBooks provides robust expense tracking and reporting tools. You can easily categorize expenses, track deductions, and generate reports that help you prepare for tax season. The software automatically calculates sales tax, making it easier to file taxes and stay compliant with local laws. It also offers tax reports that you can export, simplifying the process for your accountant or tax preparer. Another key feature is its time tracking tool, which is beneficial for freelancers or service-based businesses that bill by the hour. FreshBooks allows you to track time on projects and automatically add those hours to invoices, ensuring accurate billing. FreshBooks is ideal for small businesses that want an easy-to-use accounting tool with tax capabilities. It's not as feature-heavy as some other tax software on the market, but its simplicity and ease of use make it a great choice for those who need basic tax and financial management features without a steep learning curve. Overall, FreshBooks is a great option for small businesses and freelancers looking to simplify their invoicing, expense tracking, and tax prep. For more details, be sure to check out the links in the description below.